Uni life comes with costs, but there's help out there. We know that money matters and it impacts every part of your life, including study. That's why QUT offers a range of scholarships for different circumstances and courses, including students from regional and remote areas. I received multiple equity bursaries to help me find my feet at uni, and it really helped take the pressure off and meant I could focus on my studies. QUT's flexible study timetable also allowed me to fit in part-time work to financially support myself during this time. You might also be eligible for the Tertiary Access Payment. It helps with relocating from regional or remote areas for tertiary study. There's also fares allowance, which can help cover the cost of transport to your place of study. And don't forget to check out Centrelink. QUT offers financial support services, free meals, and budgeting workshops. These resources made a huge difference for me, and they're free to access. The key is to ask for help early before things get stressful. You don't have to figure it all out alone. QUT's got your back.